Cleaning the kitchen with an attitude. A guide for sassy teenagers.
Oh, so this is how we're living now. Crusty dishes, sticky counters, and a fridge that smells like regret. I don't care if you live alone. Share this kitchen with 5 people, or got kitchen duty because you lost rock, paper, scissors. This mess has got to go. Let's talk about why a clean kitchen is not a suggestion, but a requirement. First off, a clean kitchen is where real magic happens. You think you're whipping up a gourmet meal in filth? No, you're just breeding bacteria. A dirty kitchen is a breeding ground for pests, germs, and bad vibes. And don't even think about inviting people over because trust me, your kitchen is snitching on you. Still think it's cute to leave that sink full of dishes? You're risking everything. Bad smells, check. Health hazards, double check. And if this is a shared kitchen, congratulations, you're now that person. The one no one trusts to cook their meals. A clean kitchen isn't just about chores, rules, or your parents attacking you. It's about respect. Respect for yourself, your space, and the people around you. Take pride in it. I don't want to see anyone just wiping crumbs to the floor or running water over a dirty pan. Like it's a baptism. Here's how it's done. 1. Start with the dishes. Yup, all of them. Even the pot with old macaroni. It's not an exception. Wipe down and disinfect. You want these counters so clean you could eat off them because... Newsflash, sometimes you do. Yogurt from last year, toss it. Food from last week, toss that too. Wipe down the shelves. Organize your items and make it look like you've got your life together, at least in the fridge. Take out the trash. Nothing says, I'm a mess, like an overflowing trash can. Take it out. And while you're at it, recycle properly.
School of the Hard Knocks org. For when you're done playing tag with purposelessness.